That's the male there. So what we're doing now is we're just going down and taking them for a swim. So we do this activity off leash and they get used to following their mum and coming with me. And hopefully we don't have to avoid any kangaroos. There's Nora Jones, and she just loves swimming time. And she's developing swimmers in all of her babies. There she is, running to the dam. Straight in, as are the babies. There we go, the one with the white blaze on his chest is, I've called him Tux. And he's available to go to a home. And then there's this very, very nice girl as well. So a really important part of our program is really getting the dogs doing what they love to do, which is swimming pretty early, and we encourage everybody to get them down to the water. Nothing's forced. This is all done voluntarily by them. We'd love you to visit and see our facility and see what our dogs do, and it's really important to us that people really understand that this is a working breed, and what that means is that this is a dog that as a puppy needs to have a lot of training, strict rules, strict management by you, and every single member of the family needs to want this dog. If one of the adult wants it and the other adult's not quite sure, this is not the right time to get a puppy. Everybody has to agree that this is a good idea. And if the kids aren't ready, we're not going to send you a pup. We want your pup to be with you for a lifetime, not just dumped somewhere and given up because it's all too hard after a few hours or days or weeks. So put some thought into what you're going to do. Research, read the website, and really understand that this breed is a working breed, and what is that going to mean for you, your partner, and if you've got any kiddlywinks, what it's going to mean for them. I hope you enjoyed this video and feel free to contact me. We will have puppies later on this year and again early next year, so we really want to make sure they're going to the right homes. You have a great day. Bye.